Hi, happy Friday. We made it through our first week of virtual learning. We just have a few more things to get done today. For starters, I want you to get that paper out that we created yesterday for your calendar grid observations. And I'd like for you to complete September 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. So for September 4th, this is the calendar piece. I recommend pushing pause and recording 2 equations that represent this calendar piece. Press pause. Here is the calendar piece for September 5th. If it's hard to see, this is 2 dimes. So I would like for you to write down 2 equations, one using fractions, one using decimals to represent what adding 2 dimes together. Push pause and record these now. Okay, for September 6th, again, try to record 2 equations that represent this amount. I'm going to give you a hint. 6 minutes is shaded, so that's 6 out of 60 minutes. And this orange piece here is 1/10 of the clock face. Push pause and record your 2 equations. For September 7th, create 2 equations that show what happens when you add together these 2 dimes plus these 2 dimes. Try to use decimals for one equation and fractions for the other equation. Push pause and record those now. Once you're done recording all of your equations through Monday, September 7th, the next thing that you can do, that you have to do actually, is go to our Bitmoji classroom, go to the Friday folder, and complete the work that I have left for you. Now this work should be completed in the order that it is listed. So there's a would you rather. You're just going to click on that. And there's a question here, would you rather? You can read it for yourself. And then you're going to type your comment in there, and you'll be able to also see what your classmates typed, and you can comment on what they would rather. Okay, then you're going to go to this calendar collector, which is just a slideshow. Hopefully yours will load a little quicker than mine. So this is just a slideshow that you're going to read through and learn a little bit about volume, which we did talk about some last year. There's a video embedded in the slideshow, and then probably the most important thing that I want you to try is on slide 9. First, you're going to go to this video and find out, the video is going to show you how to use this website to build cubes and other prisms using cubes. The website's a little tricky, so it's really important that you watch the YouTube video before you try it out. I'd like for you to spend about 10 or 15 minutes trying out this website. Okay, then go back to that Friday folder after you finish math. You're going to complete some assignments here. You're going to read this storybook. This is the picture book about the real Ivan from The One and Only Ivan. Then we have a video about the real Ivan. And when you click on this, you have to make sure you click this play button here. Okay, and that is a video about the real Ivan when he got moved to the zoo. And then you have this persuasive writing piece that you're going to be completing. When you click on it, you'll just type your response there. It's going to be a letter. It should be 2 to 3 paragraphs long. You're going to talk about the real Ivan, and you're going to give your opinion, and you're going to try to convince this mall owner of your opinion. Okay, then you have specials. To get to specials tomorrow, you have to leave our homeroom and go to courses and find the PE course. And then you will be done for the day. Okay, so once you finish all of that work, you are free to enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend.